Hello, good day, viewers. In this virtual class, we'll be looking at how to solve um, logarithm, especially if the bases are not the same. The question say here is to find the positive value of x. If you have this log x to the 2 equals to log x plus 6 to base 4. So find the positive value of x. Now, first of all, we will make use of different laws involving a logarithm. One of them is that the base here, they are not the same. If the bases are the same, we could have just go straight by evaluating this logarithm. But in that case, that means we need to change this base so that they will be of the same base. So first of all, one of the law of logarithm has to do with change of base. For this time, if we have log a to base b, we can as well change this one to a different base by saying this is log a to base b to base x is equal to log b to s, because we are changing to a different base other than base b. Okay, so this is one of the law and it's true. Okay, now in that case, we will try and change this right hand side whose base is the base 4. We change it to base 2. It therefore means that this logarithm, this is log x to base 2. This one become log, since we are changing this to base 2, this become log x plus 6 to base 2, divide, following the same procedure here, it become log 4 to base 2, because we assume that x is now base 2. Then we look at the denominator carefully, which is log 4. Log 4 can also be expressed as log 2 raised to 2 to base 2, which can also be expressed as one of the law of logarithm, which specify that if we have log x raised to n, base, let's say b, the same thing as n multiplying log x to base b. So we apply that. So we can move this one backward, so this becomes 2 log 2, 2. And in logarithm, once the logarithm and the base are the same, that means the value there is equivalent to what? That means the whole of this one, log 2, 2 is 1. 2 multiply 1 is 1. So the whole of this denominator becomes 2. So this becomes log, okay, open bracket, x plus 6 divided 2. So we have to deal with this. The only way to handle this is just to multiply both sides by 2. So if both sides are multiplied by 2, this becomes 2 log x to base 2 is equals to 2 times log. Remember, this is the log is to base 2 there. Divide 2. So this go with this. Then we also have to go look at this, the left hand side here, which tally with this rule. So it means that this one here we have to bring it forwards. This become log x squared is 2 is equals to log x plus 6 is 2. Now in a situation like this, this log 2 and log 2, see they are the same now. They can easily be evaluated. So you can get rid of them. So that the whole equation here becomes x squared equals to x plus 6. Okay, so here, let's make it, bring it to this side. It become a square. So if we're moving this x plus 6 to the left hand side, become negative minus x minus 6 is equals to 0. This is a quadratic equation, which is also factorizable. So the first thing to do here is to multiply the term here containing square by the constant term, and the result so obtained becomes negative 6x squared. So then all the factors of this are minus 1 times 6, 1 times minus 6, minus 2 times 3, or minus 3 times 2. Okay, we can put them in this form. Then we ask one good questions. Among these factors, which of them can we add? We add it, will give us a negative x. Okay, if we also multiply it, will give us minus 6x squared. So here, minus 3 plus 2, that gives a negative 1, which is tally with the middle term here, minus x. So we're going to replace the middle term here as x squared minus 3x plus 2x minus 6 is equals to 0. Thereafter, we group them in twos. The common factor here in this first bracket is x, and x minus 3 plus 2 here we have the x minus 3 is equals to 0. So x minus 3 is one part, and the x plus 2 is equals to what? 0. So either x minus 3 is equals to 0, or x plus 2 is equals to 0. So x here is 3 or negative 2. But remember that the questions as earlier asked us, say we should find the positive value that satisfies the equations. So the positive value that satisfies this equation is 3. So if we put 3 there to satisfy the equations. Okay. So please, if you find this video very useful, just like, subscribe, comments on how I can do it much more better than. See you in my next question.